So let's quickly go over the one-way analysis of variance flowchart that might help you. So remember, when we're using Minitab, the data can be in two different ways. We can have the data in separate columns, or we could have the data where the actual quantitative values are in one column and the qualitative labels, such as the factor names or the category names, are in the other column. So remember to go back and look at those PowerPoints on how to handle both types of data to make it easier on yourself. So when you're starting the problems, you want to know how many groups or factors do you have, your level of significance, and make sure that you enter that data correctly. Don't mix up your samples, and make sure if you're testing for 5 groups, you have 5 groups. And remember, sometimes your sample sizes won't be the same, but that's okay. Minitab can handle it, and it handles it quite well. So then, next step, determine those hypotheses. And it might help just to fill in the blanks or put this in when you're doing the problems. All right. And we're not really using a website anymore. We're putting the information into Minitab. So if you've worked with people in the past who've taken a class like this or something, we used to use the calculator or websites. Minitab makes it so much easier. So again, put your information in Minitab and then get the F and the P value. Again, it wouldn't hurt to look at the graph that it gives you or even look at the means that it gives you for ANOVA. All right, then when you're using your p-value and your level of significance, remember you can use this table to help you make the correct decision. And again, when you're concluding, make the proper conclusions and then see if your false claim was and if it was true or false. Again, it's the same steps that we've done mostly in Module 3, and now we did it with chi-squared in this module, so it should help you and it should be becoming easier. The only thing that really changed was our data.